Let's turn to Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot now for our final trade of the day. Hello to you. Nice to have you here.
Hi, Angie. How are you?
I'm great. Let's
Good.
take a look at an airline stock here now. Airlines can be dicey.
Yes.
Tend to move with the economy. The economy is very good right now.
Yes.
So what do you think about Delta Airlines?
Funny you should say airlines tend to move with the economy. I think Delta and most airlines are definitely correlated with oil prices. And as we kind of can see, oil prices are kind of finding themselves very strong to the bullish upside, and I think the airlines such as Delta will follow.
You do. So
Yes.
let's take a look at the chart on this one. Where do you suspect that Delta could go in the next few months, let's say?
I'm looking at Delta to kind of test those $60 range. I think Delta, we have a 52-week high right around like 60s or so. I think Delta is definitely poised to kind of touch there. Kind of trading right now about $54, $55 right now. So I definitely could see this stock kind of climbing higher to around that 60 mark.
So to speak.
So to speak.
So let's take a look at your actual trade. What kind of a trade would you put on here? Would it be an options play?
Yes.
Or would you just buy the stock here?
Absolutely. Definitely looking to put on an options play. I am long the stock, by the way, risk disclaimer.
So you already own it?
Yes.
What level did you first buy?
I've been holding on to Delta since about 47s, actually.
Okay.
Yes, and right now they're trading about 54 and change, close to 55s. So this is a spread that I'm looking at where I'm going to be buying the 55s and selling the 60s. I think every time a stock kind of climbs higher, or usually I shouldn't say every time, but every time we look and see a chart where we can kind of see a stock kind of trading up to its all-time highs or yearly highs, we have to expect that to be some kind of a resistance level. So I'm going to kind of be selling those 60s but buying the 55s.
So selling the 60 call, buying the 55, and
Yes.
what do you need to have happen here to make money?
Well, what I need to have, I need the actual stock to climb higher than my actual the calls that I bought at those 55. So as long as the stock price moves higher than those 55s, then I stand to make money. I'm capped at those $60 mark though. So if we hit 60s, then obviously that's kind of my cap, so to speak. But above 55s, I'm profitable.
Always a pleasure to have you here. Have a great trading day.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.